launch already isn't easy. Those wing gliders are almost here. Still need to put the wings in place. Can't have a wing glider without wings. When these wings are in place, you'll fly and see Berk better than any dragon. Toothless, you know what we call a wing glider without wings? Trouble. This is terrible. I need help. Why does this always happen? Hang on! Abandon ship! And on your left, you'll see some gronkel eggs, which are well known to explode when they hatch. But don't worry, they only hatch in exactly these conditions at exactly this time of year. Which means that stopping here would be a really bad idea. Oh boy. Hold on tight. I don't know what to do for this. That's down. That's how you do it. You're quite the wing glider. I'm completely impressed. If you ever want to go flying again, just stop by. Toothless and I will be waiting for you. We're the best of friends. God, Toothless, not the face, not the face. I have no idea where your tongue's been. Gather up all your access helmets and shields and prepare to exit the wing.